What you're looking at is the ThinkCar 689BT ThinkScan. I'm 4 months into using this thing. I purchased it 4 months ago, and it's one of the best scanners that I have ever used. It's the #1 scanner online purchase that you can buy. Lifetime guarantee, lifetime free uploads and updates. It's compact, it's shock resistant, it's weather resistant, the price is right, it's a workhorse. The battery life on the scanner is tremendous. But before we go any further, let's let Tech Guy over here at D.I.Y. Auto School, Tech Guy, tell us about what it actually does and what it is. And then we'll see you in the vehicle after he gets done telling you everything he knows about it.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
I was asked to show a scanner that could diagnose transmission, engine, ABS, airbags, that could code the injectors, program the throttle body, compress the electronic calipers, or regenerate the DPF, that could check the tire sensors, that doesn't charge a monthly subscription, that has lifetime updates, that works with all car makes and models, and that doesn't cost thousands of dollars. And finally, a company had the guts to make one.
This is the ThinkScan 689BT that outsurpasses, outperforms, and outdelivers anything in its classification. It's a machine that doesn't just read, diagnose, and fix problems and issues on your vehicle, but also is a bi-directional unit that can be used in many different performances.
And it can do all the things I just mentioned and much more. Here we can see that it can reset the oil, program the throttle body, compress the calipers, reset the steering wheel, regenerate the DPF, has ABS, can reset the battery, can check and code the injectors, and also reset all the tire sensors. It can check all the emission systems, the engine, and here you can diagnose the engine, transmission, airbags, and ABS brake system of all these vehicle brands. Look, it has them all. Give you the vehicle profile, where you can check the VIN and the original mileage of the vehicle. You can see the live data and also put it in a graph to help you diagnose better. And the best part is, you don't have to pay any monthly subscription to use it. It has lifetime updates, and it doesn't cost thousands of dollars.
The classification of this scanner outperforms and outbeats any Snap-on launch or Autel system on the market. Check out the videos that are on this YouTube channel for more information. It's the best scanner for 2025, 2026, 2027. It's the machine that you will not be able to live without. Lifetime guarantee, lifetime updates for free. Nothing to be charged except the original purchase of the item itself. The ThinkCar Thinkscan 689BT package list includes the ThinkScan 689BT, Think Diagnostic Mini 2 connector, which is remote wireless connector up to 35 feet, the RJ45 network cable, the USB 2.0 to 10/100 millimeter network cable, the F chassis converter cable, Type C cable, comes with the complete packing list, the user manual, 3-in-1 charger matched with US, UK, and European plugs. Complete system, one package, one deal, one job, and the job is done with the ThinkCar Thinkscan 689BT. Focus on the description of this video below for all the links and information needed to order this wonderful and fabulous scanner that is rated the #1 scanner worldwide in its class. This is a scanner that can produce mass operations. If you are a mechanic for a large dealership or possibly a small business owner, this scanner is for you. The ThinkCar scanner is the top-notch scanner in its classification, which includes Snap-on, Autel, and Launch. Don't purchase those items. Get the ThinkCar and think straight with ThinkCar Thinkscan.
How y'all doing? This is Pete over at D.I.Y Auto School, and look what I have in my hand. I got my ThinkCar scanner right here. This is a money maker, guys. Small business owners, pay real good attention to this. This is the scanner that you want. Bi-directional, OBDs, DICs, CCSs, QRGs, anything and everything that scans, this is the scanner for it. Did I mention it's wireless? Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in our Jeep right here. Look how easy and simple this is. All you do is come down here, line it up, plug it in, and bam, it's on. This is a wireless scanner up to 35 feet. You can go outside, work on it. You can do whatever you need to do under the hood with your scanner. Look what we got. Do you see that? I'm working on my Jeep. I'm sitting in my car. I'm doing what I got to do, hands-free, while I'm reading my scanner. I've been using my scanner for approximately 4 months. I was really skeptic when I bought it, but I can tell you now, this is the best purchase I've ever made as far as an electronic item goes for fixing and repairing vehicles. It was a little bit more expensive than the other brands, but this brand here is top notch. This is the top dog of scanners. This outbeats any Snap-on, Autel, or Launch scanner on the market. It's a lifetime guarantee scanner. It's a scanner that's going to give you the opportunity to make money in your shop and do the job that needs to be done properly, efficiently, and accurately. So I just started up the vehicle. We got the scanner plugged in. And what we're going to do is we are going to look up the vehicle without a VIN number. Watch this. We're going to go ahead and enter. Look at all the vehicles it brings up, just like that. We're going to come over here to American. Did I mention Chinese? Did I mention Asian? Did I mention European? I don't know if you can see the screen 100%, but believe me, the resolution of this screen is awesome. We're going to go to American. We're going to come down here. We're going to look up Jeep, just like that. You can see it connecting. Bam, look how quick that is. So we're going to find our vehicle right here. We got a, I believe this is a 2023. We're going to come up here. We're going to go down to the Gladiator. Look what it's doing here, guys. It's scanning our vehicle as we're sitting here. It's scanning it right now. We just found the VIN number. Look at that. It's a 2023 Jeep Gladiator. Vehicle identification number. It has the year, the make, and the model. Everything's in order there. We're going to hit OK. It's telling everything that this vehicle is equipped with. We've got the PCM, the TCM, the BCM, IPC. We got the radio frequency hub. Everything. Look at that. If you want to look it up with the VIN number, we're going to enter that right here. We've already connected. It automatically finds the VIN number. You can see it scanning right there. It's scanned the VIN scan. It's finding what we're doing here. And there's our information right there. I didn't even have to put it in. Hey, how y'all doing out there? This is Pete. We're over at DIY Auto School today, and look what I got in my hand. I got my ThinkCar 689 BT ThinkScan in my hand. Let me tell you something. This is a money maker, people. I've been using this thing for approximately 4 months now, and it has been so helpful in diagnosing and repairing the vehicle after a collision job that I can't live without this thing anymore. So if you notice, it's wireless. Do you see that right there? We're going to plug it in, and once you plug it in, you're going to hear a beeping noise. That's going to let you know that the scanner is hooked up. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. There's a orange button right here. All you do is push that in, and bam, comes right on. So we got our vehicle on. Our scanner is now hooked up, complete, ready to diagnose. Here it is right here. It's a Chrysler. There it is right there. Look at that. It's communicating with Chrysler right now. It's downloading the information that we need to read this vehicle. I don't know if you can see the screen properly through the camera action, but I'm telling you, this thing is a wonder machine. We're going to go ahead and read the fault code, see if there's any. There's no fault codes. Let's go back. I'm going to tell you right now, this machine that I'm using right here is an awesome machine. If you're looking for a money maker, if you're looking for a accurate scanner that's going to make you money in your place of business, this scanner is the scanner that you want. You can see how accurate and quick that it loads up. So if you're looking for a scanner that can make you money in your place of business, or possibly if you were a mechanic at a high-end mechanic facility and you want a scanner that is going to help you diagnose, fix issues, and be a problem solver all in one, get the ThinkCar Thinkscan 689BT. It's an awesome machine and can cover basically anything and everything that there is to cover. ABS, bleeding, SCR, adaptive front lighting system reset, air suspension matching. Here's our airbags right here. If my airbags were blown on this vehicle, I'd be able to push that. I'd go ahead and enter. I'd go ahead and reset the airbags and everything would work functionally. Battery matching, brake pad reset, clutch matching. There's so much stuff going on here. Look at all this, people. Do you see everything that this covers? Look at that. That's just part of what you get with this. Look at that. We got air fuel ratio reset, adaptive front lighting, battery matching, brake pad reset, AD blue reset, whatever AD blue is. I don't know what that is. That's something that I don't use. But I'm telling you that this scanner is the best scanner on the market. No doubt about it. Gonna go out of here. Look at this here. Got clutch matching, brake pad reset, airbags. I'm telling you, it's a moneymaker, not just for a mechanic shop, but also for paint and body facilities and large collision repair shops. This is the ThinkCar 689BT, and it's a scanner that I can't live without. This is my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Make sure that you go to the description of this video, follow the links, check it out, do your research, and order one today. Did I tell you that it's lifetime upgrade warranties, lifetime warranty on this? Upgrades for free for the rest of your life? You can't beat that, people. It also has a 1-800 number. If you have any issues or problems, you can call that 1-800 number, and they'll be glad to talk to you in person on the phone and walk you through any type of situations that you can't solve. They're the problem solvers of the scanning world, called ThinkCar right there. If I need to work hands-free, look what I can do. I can stay right there on my steering wheel, and it's a situation that lets me do what I need to do to fix the problems that need to be fixed. Take it easy. We'll see you later. My friend Pete, your friend Pete, using my ThinkCar scanner and making money doing it, because that's what it's all about, guys. If you have a scanner, you got it for a reason. To get the job done fast, to make some money, and go down the road and work on the next car. And that's what ThinkCar is all about. Take it easy.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.
it.